Okay, so let us go through the questions of mixtures. Okay, question number one is: a shrewd milkman mixes water and milk in the ratio 2:3. What part of this mixture should be removed and replaced with water so that it contains water and milk in the ratio 1:1? Okay, so water is to milk ratio is 2:3. Okay, since we have to find the relation with water with respect to mixture, so we'll work upon okay, wait, let me see, replaced with water, so we can work upon water. Okay, so we can write it as 2 minus, suppose x part is removed and replaced, so it will be 2 by 5 into x plus x is added because it is water, so water upon milk basically became 1 by 1. Okay, right? So milk will be how much? 3 minus 3 by 5 into x. Okay, so on solving this we'll get x equal to 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 means 1 minus 5 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 part should be removed and replaced. So question number 1 is done. Now average age of ABC is 84. Okay, so total age of ABC will be A plus B plus C equal to 84 into 3. However, when D joins, average comes to 80. Okay, so A plus B plus C plus D equal to 80 into 4. Okay, so you can solve this and we can find out the value of D as 68. Okay, now a new person E joins whose age is 3 years more. So E will be 68 plus 3, 71. Okay, and the new average is 79. Okay, so this is the average which becomes 79. Okay, so we can write in place of E, A will be there, so we can directly write 71, B plus C as it is, D is 68 and this is 320. Okay, 320. So from here value of B plus C is 177. Now the first equation we have here, here we can put A plus 177 equal to 84 into 3, solving A equal to 75 as the answer. Okay, we're done. This question is also done. From a vessel containing pure milk, 9 liters is taken out. It is replaced with equal quantity of water. This operation is repeated twice. The ratio of milk and water is 16:9. Okay, very common question, very cliched question. Okay, so we'll suppose the total volume to be how much? This 16 and 9, because we know that suppose initially something was there and finally something was there. Okay, so after repeating all the processes, total volume still remain the same. Okay, so total is supposed to be 16 plus 9, 25x. Okay, so we know that the ratio is now 16 by 25 equal to 1 minus how much quantity is replaced? 9 divided by total is how much? 25. Okay, this is directly replacement formula. This is done twice, so by 2. So taking square root, we'll get 4 by 5 equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. So 1 by 5 equal to 9 by 25. Now our question is, what is the volume of the milk? Volume of the milk initially was how much? 25x. So 25x equal to 45. So 45 is the answer. Right? Next one. I was born 30 years after my father was born. Okay, so suppose that I am taking myself as a son. So father minus son equal to 30. My sister was born 25 years after my mother was born. So mother minus daughter equal to 25. Okay. The average of my family is 26.25 right now. Okay, so father, mother, son and daughter is how much? 26.25 into 4. Okay, now my sister will get married 4 years from now and will leave the family. The average will be 10. Okay, so after 4 years father will be f plus 4, mother will be m plus 4, son will be son plus 4. Okay, this will be how much? 107 by 3. Total number of people we have 3, so we will solve this. F plus m plus n will be how much? F plus m plus s will be 107 minus 4 8 or to 12. Okay, so 12 means 2, just a sec, if we 107 12 95, so it will be 95. Okay, this we got 95. Now our question is, what is the age of my father? Okay, so if I subtract both of these equations, I'll get f my we can wait. First of all, you can find the value of d. Now here we have f plus m plus s, put it over here and solve the value, so we'll get d as 10. Okay, now we have to find the value of father. Okay, so subtract both of these equations, so we'll get f minus s minus m plus d equal to 30 minus 25 is 5. Okay, we know that f minus s plus m, d is 10, send it right hand side, 5 minus 10. Okay, now s plus m we know is how much? 95 minus f, so f minus 95 minus f equal to minus 5. So on solving this we'll get f as 45 is the answer. Done. Now from a 3:5 solution of milk and water, 20% is taken out and replaced with milk. How many times should this process be done to make the ratio as 17:8? Okay, so basically we have milk and water 3x and 5x. Okay, now first time the process is done, so milk 20% is removed, so milk will be left how much? ml. I am writing ml, milk left. So 20% means 0.2 into total was 3x, so 0.6 or 2.4x. okay, water left how much? Okay, water left will be 5x minus 0.2 into 5x. okay, so water left will be 5x. Now we know that also 20% and replaced by milk, so 20% will be replaced, so 20% milk will be added, so we'll get 4x. Overall we'll get milk as 4x and water as, wait, I'm writing it, milk as 4x and water as 4x. Next process is done, so milk will be left how much? 4x into 0.8, so 3.2x. okay, and 20% of this 1.6x will be added again, so we'll get 4.8x. Similarly water will be how much? 1.6x by 5. okay, simply this much, and one more time the process will be done. okay, then you will obtain 17/8. So 3 is the answer to this question. Coming to next one, there is a milk holding 40 liters of, there is a vessel holding 40 liters of milk. 4 liters of milk is initially drawn from vessel, 4 is poured back, 5, 6. okay, this is done. okay, so basically 4 liters drawn, so left will be how much? 1 minus 4 by 40, so 1 by 10 and 9 by 10, so 36 will be left. okay, similarly again now 5 is drawn, so 1 minus 5 by total is how much? 40. okay, so how much will be left? 1 by 80, 7 by 8, so this will be 31.5 left. Again now 6 liters is withdrawn, so 1 minus 6 by 40, so this will be 26.775. that's it. A is the answer. Question number 7. This was a trap question. okay, this was a trap question. All those who have solved this question have ended up wasting a lot of time. okay, this is a trap question. So the question is, two alloys composed of gold and silver weigh this much. One lump contains 75%, other lump contains 25. The total quantity of this much. Two lumps are melted to form what will. okay, so if you carefully observe the percentage figures and the options, so what will you get? 75% gold is mixed, 80% gold is mixed. okay, and resultant is obtained. okay, see the options. Options are 50, 89, 78, 67. okay, if we are adding 75 and 80, then resultant for sure will be in between this. okay, so 75 to 80, this option is gone, this option is gone, this is correct, this is gone, so easily C is the answer. That's why I have always suggested you to use options. okay, question number 8. This looks something wrong, or maybe I am not getting this. okay, so I'm leaving this. Next one, question number 9. There are two sulfuric acids with concentration of 50%, 80%. They are mixed to get 60%. okay, so 50, 80 and 62% is obtained. okay, so this is 12, this is 18, so 3:2. okay, now this solution is mixed with 6 liter of water to get back 50% solution. So this solution is basically 62% solution, right now. So we can write it as 0.62x upon x plus 6 liter is mixed and 50% means 1 by 2. So solve this, we'll get x as 25. okay, so basically this 3 to 5 is, this 5 is how much? 25. 5 equal to 25. Now our question is, how much of the 80% solution has been used? 80% you can see is 2. So 5 is 25. So 2 will be how much? 25 by 5 into 2. This is 10 as the answer. So these are all the questions. I hope all of them are clear now.